There is a moment in ecoprinting when you untie the bundle, steam rises slowly, and your first leaf appears, clear, defined, alive. For a second, you don't breathe because something inside you recognizes it. This time, it wasn't luck. Most people think that this clear leaf is magic, and it is, but it also has layers. It's what happens when fabric, preparation, pressure, heat, and time are working together instead against each other. And once you understand how to support the process, nature responds. Ecoprinting isn't just color on fabric, it's participation. It's entering a conversation in the middle of a fast-moving world and slowing down long enough to see what the leaf is willing to give. But here's the truth no one explained it to me at the beginning. A clear print isn't random, and when your prints come out blurry, muddy, or unclear, it's not because you don't have talent. It's because no one showed you what strengthens a print and what quietly weakens it. When I first started Ecoprinting, I loved my prints. I truly did. I thought they were beautiful. Until someone very close to me said something honest. She said, "They look like they came out of compost." And I could see what she meant. They weren't defined, they weren't intentional, they look accidental. That moment changed everything for me because I realized that loving the process wasn't enough. And if I wanted my work to feel clear, wearable, alive, I needed to understand what was happening beneath the surface. So I began studying deeper, not just techniques, interactions. How different fibers respond, how mordants shift color, how tannins hold structure, how pressure affects definition, how preparation changes everything. And slowly something shifted, not because variation disappeared. Ecoprinting will always have variation, but because I stopped guessing, I started collaborating. And when you move from guessing to collaborating, your prints begin to make sense. My name is Atenas. I'm a textile and botanical artist, and ecoprinting isn't just something I teach, it's the foundation of my work. It's how I've sustained my creative life, the practice that became my full-time path. Not in theory, in real production, for many art shows, in pieces people actually wear. In workshops where hands open their bundles for the very first time. And over the years, through experimentation, production, mistakes, refinement, I organized everything I learned into something clear. Not rigid rules, not formulas that silence intuition, but a structure that supports creativity instead of limiting it. And I call it Leaf to Print Ecoprinting Workshop. Leaf to Print is a step-by-step workshop where you don't just learn techniques, you learn how to support the process so your prints become clear, intentional, and alive. Inside, you'll learn 3 core techniques. The Eco technique, so you can create sharp and well-defined impressions. The mirror composition, so you understand how to build balance and intentional composition. The color blankets, so you can create layered depth and richness of color. But more importantly, you'll understand how everything connects. You'll also receive a complete pre-recorded process from fabric preparation to final reveal, so you can move at your own rhythm. Downloadable guides that allow you to revisit and refine calmly. And here is where science meets the soul. You will have access to a private onboarding call available for limited time, so you enter with clarity and resolve technical questions from the beginning. Also, you will have access to a private session unlocked only after you complete the process. I review your results, refine the details, and deepen your understanding. The total value of everything inside is $1,174. But what you're really stepping into isn't it information, it's that moment. The moment when your first clear leaf appears, and you know exactly why. That shift from guessing to understanding. And today you can step into this for $180. Imagine opening your bundle and no longer wondering if it was just luck. Imagine knowing what's happening beneath the surface. It's not control, it's clarity. It's a structure that supports your creative freedom. You might be wondering, what if I am a beginner? Perfect. Leaf to Print was designed to give you structure from zero, so you don't have to piece everything together alone. What if I don't have much time? It's fully pre-recorded, so you move at your own rhythm. What if I get stuck? You're not alone. You can always email me if questions come up along the way. You'll have support when you need it. Ecoprinting has its own language, and when you understand how to prepare the cloth, how to support the leaf, how to hold pressure and time with intention, everything begins to shift. You begin creating work that feels cohesive, alive, intentional. And that first clear reveal is not longer luck, it's yours. If you ever looked at a leaf and wondered what it could become, this is your moment. Click below and begin your process, leaf by leaf.